What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is All Wings Everything, and yes, you are back in my kitchen with your boy Finalizing for another easy and delicious recipe. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make an Italian style drunken noodle. Guys, there are many variations of drunken noodles, but that Italian style has to be one of my favorites, and guys, you're gonna love it. So I hope you're in your kitchen. I'm already in mine, so let's go. All right, so here are the ingredients we're gonna use for today's recipe. So let's go ahead and do a roll call. Right here, I have 8 ounces of wide noodles right here. Now you can use egg noodles if you want to. Now, I'm not gonna pronounce the name of these noodles because you guys not gonna make fun of my Alabama accent. So I'm gonna leave the name of these noodles in the video description below, but the wide noodles are the best to use, guys. Right here, I have a 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes. Make sure you don't drain them, keep the juice in it. Half a cup of white wine, I'm using Chardonnay. I have 19 ounces of Italian sausage. I removed the casing, guys, so make sure you take the casing off of it. I have 1 red pepper chopped here, 1 yellow pepper chopped, 1 orange pepper chopped. I have 1/4 of a cup of fresh basil, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a teaspoon of black pepper, teaspoon and a half of salt, 1 teaspoon of Italian season, 5 garlic cloves crushed, 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped flat leaf parsley, and I have 1 onion quartered and sliced. So guys, these are the ingredients. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna heat our 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Bring that up to temperature. We wanna make sure it's hot. And guys, what you wanna do right now while your oil is heating up, start preparing your pasta according to the package instructions, because you want your noodles to be ready once you get all this prepared right here. So we're gonna bring this up to temperature. And like I said, I already have my water getting ready to boil here. All right, so it looks like we're up to temperature. We're gonna start adding our sausage, and we're gonna cook this until it's brown. And of course, we're gonna be breaking this up as we cook it to crumbles. All right, so it looks like we are there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pause the heat. And what we want to do now is we want to remove our sausage mixture and put it into an empty dish. So let me go ahead and put this into an empty dish, and I'll be right back. So guys, when you remove your sausage mixture, make sure you don't pour in the juice out of it. You want to keep that in there as we go into the next step. All right, so now I'm gonna unpause the heat. Gonna get that back up to temperature, and we're gonna add our onions. And we're gonna saute these onions here for about 3 to 5 minutes until they're softened. All right, so what we're gonna do now, we're about 3 minutes in, 3 to 4 minutes in. So what you wanna do is you wanna add your salt, your pepper, your Italian seasoning, and you wanna kinda get that mixed in here. And once you get that kind of mixed in after 30 seconds, you want to go in with your peppers, your red peppers here, our orange peppers, and our yellow peppers. And we're going to let these cook for about 2 minutes. You know, we want these babies softened too. All right, now we're going to introduce our garlic. And we're going to get this mixed in here. You know, we always mix this in here until we smell that garlic aroma. Oh man, I'm smelling that aroma now, I'm telling you. And next, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna add our white wine. And we're gonna let this reduce just a little bit, not much. Maybe cook it for about 2 minutes. All right, so now it looks like we're there. That took about a minute or so. And what we're gonna do now is add our diced tomatoes along with the juice. Remember, we didn't drain it. We're gonna fold that in here. And we're gonna come behind that with our sausage. And we're gonna get that folded in there too. And we're gonna cook this for about 3 to 5 minutes. We're gonna let it simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. All right, guys, it looks like we're there. We're about 5 minutes in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn our heat off. So what I'm doing now is add another 2 tablespoons of olive oil to give it that smooth texture. And we're gonna come behind that with our flat leaf parsley for that nice color, and half of our basil. And we're just gonna fold that in here like that. Guys, take a look at that. Doesn't that look good? Those colors, red, green, yellow, orange, the brown from the meat, the white from the onions. Man, that looks good. And right here, we're gonna fold in our pasta. And I'm gonna use my tongs to get it all mixed in here. Guys, you wanna make sure you get this mixed well. All right, so it looks like we got it mixed really well right there. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna get this over on our cutting board, and I will be right back. And there you have it, guys, drunken noodles. Let me know what you think about this recipe down in the comments. Go ahead, let's get the conversation started there. And remember, the measurements and ingredients are all in the video description below. So let's go ahead and get into quality control. It's time to test this baby out. Let's go. All right, so we are here right now for quality control. Guys, I don't know what happened to the audio. It looks like it's recording, but the sound is not coming through. But take a look at these Italian drunken noodles. Man, I'm telling you, I can't wait to take a bite of these babies right here. So we're gonna go ahead and try it out real quick so you guys can see what I'm talking about when I tell you that it is delicious. Yes, yes, yes. Look at my face. Guys, I'm telling you, I wish the audio was there. You would understand this particular dish was so good. You guys have to try it. So, and until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli. This is All Wings Everything. And guys, remember, I ain't no chef. I just cook a lot, and I am out. Peace.